Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be boxing ateez's new album, Golden Hour Part 3. This album is really good, so I'm excited to open these. I believe this is the Heat version, the Thirst version, and then technically these could be digipacks, but they're the single CDs. I only bought and Yosong for this. Okay, I think we're going to start with my Barnes & Noble copy. Hey y'all, editing me here. I filmed this video and then I forgot to mention that I went to the pop-up at Barnes & Noble in my state. So, yeah, my one copy is from the pop-up version, the one with the pillow talk, and then my Thirst version, I think is what it was, is my Barnes & Noble copy. So, yeah. Quickly take them out of the wrapping. Okay, here's the Thirst version, here's the front, the back. All that, we're back to the box situation. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this box feels very cheap. Okay, we're gonna look at those here in a second. Let's look at, oh no! Okay. Let's look at the CD. Nice. Okay. And we're going to look at the postcards. So they didn't do a photo book this time. They only did the postcards. We have Hongjun, Seonghwa. This Yuno shot goes crazy. This Yosong too. San, Mingi. We have Uyang. We have my baby Jongho. It's so cute. And then we have the second set of pictures. Nice. Look at this Woo Young. Holy crap. And this Jongho. Do you see that stare he's giving you? Yeah. Okay. That's it for that. Stop it. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, let's start with the Polaroid. I'm only buying one copy of this version just because I'm only gonna collect Yuno's Polaroid. So we're gonna flip it over in 3, 2, 1. Oh no! We pulled Yosong! How am I supposed to trade this? No! Okay, anyway, let's do the Barnes & Noble first. This is the squeaky version, so this is the one where they're holding the rubber chicken. So we have 1, 2. No way! Shut the hell up. I pulled Yuno! I need a moment to recuperate about that.
5 G's, please. Good God, get a grip, girl.
Oh my god. Okay. And the Chu version. We pulled Uyang. Cute. Okay. So those are my pulls for this version. Let's go ahead and move on to the other version. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna get the plastic off. Oh no. So I have extra copies of this, so I accidentally cut in. I think I didn't accidentally cut into it, but if I did, that's not the end of the world. I have 2 extras of this one. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do the front and the back. And take that out. Okay, same thing. Let's look at the CD plate. Nice. And now we'll flip through the postcards. So they're in the same concept, they're just different pictures. Which, my only complaint is they posted really good concept pictures and they didn't bother to put it in here, you know? It's upset. Look at this Mingi. Oh, and this Uyang. That Jongho looks the same. Maybe it's because he's just giving me the same stare, but... Nice, nice. Young. Okay, let's talk about the track list while we're here. So, even though this is an instrumental, this song is really, really good. Castle. I think my favorite song is obviously Lemon Drop, because that's the title track. And then I really like Masterpiece as well. And Castle's really good too. My only complaint about Lemon Drop is that they gave Yeosang 7 seconds. 7 seconds. That is my only complaint. Like, you guys can't line distribute properly? What the hell? It's freaking ridiculous. Okay, anyway, off of that rant. We're going to start with the credit card cover, because they didn't do photo cards with this, or a photo book. It's ridiculous. 1, 2... Chongo! Okay, I actually get to keep this because I'm collecting top 3 for the credit card covers. Let's do the pop-up, the pillow talk one. 1, 2... We pulled Ouyang. Nice. Oh, he looks so cute. And then our Chew card. It's upside down. 1, 2... Yeosang! Okay, I actually get to keep this card too. Not too bad of pulls. Anyways, that's it for this clip.
Later that same evening.
Okay, we're gonna start off with my extra copy of, I think this is the Heat version. Since we've already flipped through the postcards, we're just gonna look at the cards at the top. I can get that out. And then... Okay, let's flip it over like so. Okay, ready? 1, 2. It's Minky! Cute! Okay, the Chew version. Chew. Sangwa. I always pull Sangwa, so this is no surprise. And Target. Sunny! Cute. Okay, and that's the only extra copy I currently have on hand. So, let's move on to the next clip. Okay, we're just going to quickly flip through these since there's really nothing in them. They only had Hyungline when I went to Target, so I only bought Yuno and Yeosang. So, that's the front, there's the inside, there's his CD, and the back. And same thing for Yeosang. The front, the inside, his CD, and the back. And that's it for this clip.
1 eternity later.
Hello, you guys. My Hello 82 Cherry version finally arrived today, so let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna time lapse this part. So. Here it is. Awesome. And we already opened this, so I'm just going to take off the plastic and then we'll just go through who I got. Okay. So everything should be on top. Can't get it back in. Dang it. Okay, let's look at the credit card cover first. So 1, 2, 3. Hongjoon. Nice, nice. Okay, let's look at the Chew card next. 1, 2, 3. Jungho! Cute! Cute, cute. And then the Cherry card. 1, 2. We put Ouyang! Cute, cute, cute. Okay, and that's all the albums I bought. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching this, you guys. I don't know when I plan on filming next, but yeah. Bye.